nice. Next we will tie the hairs like this. Now fix it using this hair clutch or the hair clip you can say. Make a bun by rolling it like this and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs. Divide it into two parts and then roll it together. Now fold it upward, make a bun, fix it using the hairpin and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs tight from the between. Roll it upward and put the hair clutch. Now tie the hairs from the top, roll it down and fix it using the hairpins and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail, pull it upward and fix the bun pin in the rubber band like this. Pull it down. Now tie the hairs on the top, pull it from the sides and pull it down like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we will tie the rubber band like this. Fix it in the half. Take a rubber band which expands well and your messy bun is ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides and tie it and then rotate it. Tie all the hairs, tie it from the downside, fix it on the top using the hair clutch and it's ready. Next, take a hair clip, put it on the hairs like this. Now take the hairs from the sides, roll it and fix it in the clip like this. Now follow the same step for few more times, fix the hairs and your hairstyle is almost ready. Next, tie the hairs and rotate it using this hairstyling tool. After rotating it, fix the hairs from the top. Now divide them and make the plaits on it like this. Fold it upward and fix it using the hairpin. Make a bun and it's ready. Thanks for watching.